Hello everybody. So today I will show you how to delete expired app subscription from iPhone. So first, there is no direct option to delete or remove expired subscription from your iPhone. Expired subscription will automatically be removed after 1 year if you do not resubscribe. So it will be removed. If you do not want to wait for a year, the only option is to create a new Apple ID. So first reset your iPhone and create new Apple ID. Go to settings, tap on go to general, scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset iPhone and reset it and create your new Apple ID. This will help you remove your expired subscription. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.